In today's video, we bring you a powerful and emotional English conversation between two friends who had an argument and are trying to patch things up. So, sit back, listen closely, and maybe even repeat with us, because every dialogue helps you get better at English.
I don't want to argue anymore. Yeah, same. This whole thing is exhausting. I just feel like we keep going in circles, and it's not helping either of us. I get that. I guess I just felt hurt by what you said yesterday. It didn't sit right with me. I didn't mean to hurt you. I was frustrated and didn't choose my words carefully. I know. And maybe I overreacted too. I've had a lot on my mind lately and just snapped. It's okay. We both have our moments. But the last thing I ever want is for us to drift apart over something like this. You mean a lot to me, you know? I just don't want to keep clashing over small things. Exactly. We've always been able to talk through stuff. I don't want that to change. Me neither. But maybe we need to be better at saying how we feel before it builds up. Yeah. Like, I should have told you I was feeling left out when you didn't invite me. Instead, I just got angry. And I should have realized it would bother you. I wasn't thinking. I assumed you were busy, but I should have checked. See? That's all it was. A simple misunderstanding blown out of proportion. Story of life, right? One small assumption turns into a big fight. But I appreciate this, us sitting and talking it out instead of just letting it fester. Same. I hate holding grudges, especially with you. You're like family to me. Right back at you. And honestly, the older we get, the more I realize how rare it is to have a friend you can argue with and still come back stronger. True. That's why it's worth it to clear the air. I'd rather talk awkwardly than stay angry. Huh, agreed. And hey, next time I do something that bothers you, just say it, alright? Deal. And if I'm being dramatic, call me out. But gently. Always gently. You're too sensitive to handle full-blown truth bombs. Hey. I'm sensitive but tough, like a marshmallow with armor. That makes no sense. Exactly my point. Huh. Alright, truce? Truce. Let's just forget about it and move on.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.